Well, what's up, y'all? I'm back like I forgot something. So look, today I'm gonna replace this Drake curtain or whatever it is that's been in my house since I moved in. It's just been sitting there. I won't say it's ugly, but it's not too pleasing to the eye. So today I got some fabric from Joann. I think it's about 2 5. I think it's 5 yards of fabric. I just cut. I was gonna use it for a bench in my other room, but I decided I'm just gonna put it as a curtain because my house got a rustic theme to it, I should say. So I'm just gonna use the rustic. Stick with the rustic theme. So right now I'm just measuring this is my fabric. I'm gonna measure it. I already took the measurements from the window. It's 42 across, 24 up and down, 24 vertical, 42 horizontal. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add 4 inches to each side. And that's gonna be the side that I tape now, so that my edges for each part of the curtain are complete. And also, I need somewhere to put my curtain rod at. So once I fold it over on the top with the 24, so instead of 24, I'm gonna do 28. Do 2 inches at the top, 2 inches at the bottom. That's gonna be where my curtain rod gonna go. So yeah, now I'm to the part of the program ready to make my markings. I got my white chalk pen that I got from where I got this from Dollar Tree, dollar 25, I think it was. Just marking it off because when I'm sewing, I just need a reference point. Now, usually I like to do stuff by eye. But I know one thing my mama tell me when I'm doing this. She told me years ago when I was learning how to use a sewing machine. Myra, you gotta make sure you measure twice and cut once. Always measure twice and cut once. But see, me, I don't even be measuring. I just go for it, which is probably not a good thing. But that's how I do things. So yeah, as you can see, I put my 2 marks right there. One going vertical, one going horizontal. And I ain't had no straight. I don't know where my stuff at in this house. I found this. It's a curtain rod I got to use for a project I'm doing in my sunroom. So I said, that's straight. I'm just going to use that. Better than nothing, better than freehanding. But then I found my leveler. So I went find my leveler and I just used that. See, look how straight that line. Ain't even much better than that. You know what I'm saying? Better. I mean, man, look. Yeah, I go with my leveler. So, well, I guess that's a little better. I mean, they both straight, but what's the difference, I guess for visual purposes, y'all could kind of see where I'm going with this. It makes it better. Makes it more pleasing to the eye. That's my word today, pleasing to the eye. That's my phrase I'm using. So here I go. I got it marked off, and all I'm going to do, this is my part where I'm going to cut with my scissors. I mean, you can use your thread ripper, whatever. Anything you need to use to cut where that outline gonna be, I'm just gonna use. It ain't gotta be scissors. It could be a knife if you got one. You can use your teeth. Your teeth sharp enough, bite it. Yeah, all right. So now I got my white pleat, where I put the chalk at with the white chalk. All I'm gonna do right there, that's gonna be where I'm gonna fold it at. Fold it right there in the middle. Then I'm gonna get my iron and press it down. Cause it is a way to do it. Like the way I'm doing it is just the back side of the fabric. Now you could do it on the white side, but you're gonna have markings on it that you're gonna have to get off. I mean, it's a million ways to skin a cat and 10 ways to eat a chicken. So all I'm gonna do is get my iron, I'm gonna press it down where the fold is. So once I put it on the sewing machine, I ain't gotta worry about am I going on a straight line? Do I have to follow the chalk line? It's just a way I do it. You do it as you see fit. So now I got got the sewing machine out, my handy dandy brother, got my brown thread, plat plat. And this is the easy part, man. Get your thread. I forgot I had the thread in my machine. Give me a minute, hold up. Look at me struggling. I ain't got my glasses on, so I had to cut the thread a few times. Wasn't cutting clean. And this just regular polyester thread I got from like Walmart for like 89 cents or something. Still couldn't get it in there. I thought I had it. Nope. Got me. Kept trying. I don't know why. Usually I'm good with this, but I ain't had my eyes on. I ain't had my glasses on either though, so maybe that's something that did look at left. Struggling. Just run uncut right here, baby, just for the tube. It ain't, it is what it is. Finally got it, press a foot off. It is what it is. We ready to roll. All right. Now that took longer than it should have, but whatever. All right, putting the thread through. So what we doing is, because I want to lock them in on each side, so I did the sides first, and then I double back and did the bottom and the top. So when it fold over, you can't see that it'd be a cut. Like, so when you cut it, I mean, you'll see what I'm saying. What we doing ain't rocket science. This one right here, I'm just gonna show you how I'm going through, and I'm staying close to the edge as possible. And all I'm gonna do, like the extra thread that's on the other side of the part that I'm sewing down, I'm just gonna cut it out with my seam, my thread ripper. Easy peasy. We're gonna fast forward this. It's gonna be the same concept. Everywhere we fold it at, we iron, we press it down, and we gonna sew it. Simple as that. Something quick right here. All I'm doing is this is gonna be the top where the rod gonna go in. Make sure you got enough space for your rod to get in. Like my rod is only like a quarter of a circumference, so I knew I ain't had much room to work with, so I made it real thin on purpose. Yeah, we just repeating the steps for each side. Look, I broke my rod, so it didn't really come out like I wanted to. Trying to take it, don't worry about it. I gotta go to get a whole new curtain rod now. So the finished product, I'm gonna do this twice. I just wanted to do one, so you gotta get a representation. I'm gonna do it again from my other side because it's gonna be double panel. Look, I broke it. It's all good.